downloadsource.net.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick guide for anyone who's using Game Pass in the Xbox app and who wants to take advantage of the new update that allows you to move game files to different locations on drives, or to set up a manual install location. So they finally got around to making the change, which is fantastic, but it's still not quite as good as Steam. So open the Xbox app, go to your profile picture, click settings, change to general, and here you can set your own path where you want to install games. So previously we were not given an opportunity, it just installed on the drive where Microsoft wanted it. So now you can just click change folder and set a location. Now there are some limitations on where you can save stuff to, so just fool around until you find one. You can't install them to the core folders such as desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, etc. So somewhere in program files seems to work, so that's where I've saved mine now. And as you can see, games now save under their actual names, and you can view this. You don't have any issues removing them, so if I was to remove these, they would delete from the Xbox app and be uninstalled from my drive, so you won't get stuck with any data. So once you've done that, you can install games to that exact location. Now if you want to move games from, say, C drive where you've already installed it to D drive, just click this, change to D, and that's where it will go to. I've obviously not got enough space to configure this. It's just an SD drive, but I'll show you how it works anyway. So once you've done that, you'll have the option here to change this as well. But for the purpose of this, we'll just go to the next step. So if you want to move a game to a different drive, just find it in your list, right click on it, click manage, change to the files tab, click change drive, select the drive. So if you're on C and you want to move to D, it should be D, and then click move, and then the app will take some time to move the game across to that location. Unfortunately, you can't have games spread out between different locations. You can spread them out between drives, but if you try to set a different location, actual file path for folders, it won't allow you, so everything's got to stay within one folder. Anyway, that wraps up this one. I hope you found it useful, and moving forward that should solve all of the issues with games not removing correctly and leaving all the data behind. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.